everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me introduce myself once again. I am Dr. Riddhi Pandey. If you know about me or my videos that I already make the videos in Hindi language also. One day I thought that why should not I take the videos and I post the videos in this language. There is two reasons that my eagerly desire to raise the awareness about homeopathy worldwide and every person. And second reason is that every person can get beneficial through homeopathy medicines, and everyone should know about homeopathy concepts and homeopathy medicines, that why should we take or why should we pick the homeopathy medicines in acute as well as chronic disease. I want to tell the basic concept in this video. Surely I'll take the short topic about one disease in this video. Primarily I'll take the basic difference between the allopathy and homeopathy. There is many more other modes of treatment is also available, but I'll talk about two modes of treatment, that is homeopathy and allopathy, because everyone easily take these two type of medicines, these two type of drugs of homeopathy and allopathy. Nowadays people are raising their knowledge about homeopathy medicines, in which there is also a reason, because now these days many other diseases also already arise by the side effects of allopathic drugs. I'm not doing any controversy, I'm not doing any bad talk about any mode of treatment, but there is I'll talk about reality, and if you are serious about yourself, then I'll talk you the secrets of healthy lifestyle, so be aware. I'm telling the basic difference about allopathy and homeopathy. There is a basic difference is that in the allopathy medicines there is a quantity is so much increase whatever we don't need, and in homeopathy medicines there is a particular process which is called the potentization, by which the quantity is so much reduced and quality is so much raised, or this process is also called potentization, as I already said, in which quantity is so much reduced that we don't see the easily by our naked eyes. Okay, so the basic difference about between the allopathy and homeopathy is that in allopathy drugs there is a quantity is so much increased that become harmful to us, and so much increase that whatever we don't need. And in homeopathy there is a process which is called potentization, by which quantity is so much reduced that we don't see by our naked eyes, and quality is so much arise that affects directly to our brain, to our inside, to our mental health, and which sees by itself. There is so much example or prove itself which I'll talk my further videos. Okay, so I don't want to make this video so bore, so you think that it is a boring video, so please don't think like that. I want to tell more basic thing. You will surprise that the founder of homeopathy was Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann, which was the allopath, and I'll talk about this story and how it can arise, how homeopathy has developed in my further videos. So without any delay, if you are serious about yourself, I'll talk you the secrets about a healthy lifestyle, so be ready. So directly to the point, without any delay, I'll take the topic that is piles. In scientific language we can say hemorrhoids. In Hindi language we say bawasir, massa. Okay, what are the symptoms of piles? There is so much pain, and people cannot easily sit or stand. There is always some pain like excruciating, excoriating, sometimes sticking pain in the anal region. What are the main cause of piles? this is our now these days our habit, our professional jobs and our sitting habits, our diet and regimen. So these affects our constipation, and constipation directly target our piles. There is a pain in our anal region. Sometimes it is bleeding and sometimes it is not bleeding type of piles. So whatever the symptoms, I'll talk the bonus homeopathic medicine, so you don't need to think so much and you easily can get pick the homeopathic medicine. That is, be aware, be focused. I'm speaking that is BT101 of Burnett company. I'll tell in the description box below. You can see description box of my video. So what is the dose of this drug? You should take the 1 tablet in the morning and 1 tablet in the evening. So we can say twice in a day. And if you are a child, then you should take the half tablet in the morning and half in the evening, twice in a day. You should take the continue medicine until the symptoms are subside. Okay, if you need to any consultation, if you need to talk something, then please mail me, which is already described in this description box. You can follow my Facebook page and you can follow me on Instagram, or you can do the WhatsApp message. Okay, priorly you send the email messages. Okay, and if you need the online consultation, so we provide the online consultation too by our Samarpit Homeopathic Clinic. The aim is only that I want to arise the awareness about homeopathy, homeopathic medicines more and more. So that's why I picked this language by posting this video. Okay, everyone can easily understand this language. English is a universal language that everyone cannot understand the Tamil or Urdu and Hindi, because there is a specific reason by specific language. Pick the English language. My eagerly desire to elaborate homeopathy. So please share more and more my videos, and do you like my videos? Please write the comment in my comment box, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share more and more. Be happy, healthy and safe. Bye bye.